Hi, and this is How Not to Play. This is Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. It is a 2013 game released originally for the Xbox 360, developed by Starbreeze Studios and published by 505 Games. It was later released onto the PlayStation 3 and PC. I really like this game, even though I haven't completed it all the way through yet. However, because this game demands a rather slow style, I will shut up during cutscenes, such as this first one. Enjoy my silence. Well, that's fucked up.
Nai! Ta! Ata Nai! Ata!
The little brother's name is Nai, and the older brother's name, from what I can tell, is Naya, I think is how you say that. There is no distinguishable language in this, and as I found out, it is a completely fictional language, which is good because I thought it was some other language that I didn't know. And these are the controls. Just the right trigger and the left trigger, and then the two control sticks, and then the two buttons at the top of the 360 controller, aka L1 and R1 for PS3 users. And those just control the camera. Everything is done by using the triggers. So, to interact with this cart, I'm having to hold both the left trigger and the right trigger. Each side controls one of the brothers. The left side controls the older brother. The right side controls the little brother, Nai. And honestly, that brings me to the point that I actually love most about this game, is that it's a cooperative game, but made single player. And it's slow enough that you really get a sense for the world and how everything just fits together. And I really do like this game, although that doesn't stop me from being horrible at it. In case you couldn't tell by the card suddenly going towards the water. This part is not scripted. I just suck at it. Each of the brothers can do certain things. So like if I go up here with the little brother, I can't flip the switch. Go up here with Naya, however, he very easily can.
Ata!
The controls are somewhat hard at first, especially because you're controlling two people at the same time. But eventually you do get used to it. That doesn't stop me from being horrible at it though. And like here, you need both of the brothers to be able to do anything. for why they needed this to happen, I don't know. Like, why they needed a switch and a raise thing to get their father up here, I don't know. But they did. From a game design perspective, I can understand why. See the sun in the distance. Cutscene time.
Mafi Sadi Abaya Vida Wade
Leah.
Ada Tai Haru Saiki Wela Tarida Amarak Fikano Nagafi Talem Omaru Kurosabe Kite Ondolade Miyaki Abadi
Naya, Taniro.
Akihoe Yada Tia Mari Mai Ya Shuma Miraba
Everything in this game is gestures. There is no understandable dialogue. But to me, that only makes it better. Also, here's an asshole. I don't know why he blocks us, I don't know what his story is. But... Oh, and in case you thought that the mother drowning in front of him did not happen to Scar, the little brother, no, it most definitely did. I don't know if he has hydrophobia or aquaphobia or just can't swim. I have a feeling it's just that he can't swim. But to me, it leads to a rather heartwarming moment, as Naya will swim for him. I really do like the music to this game, and I know that seems kind of random, but I can't get over how it just seems like so calm. Like the entire world just seems alive. And I will go over what just happened right there in a second. And apparently, the older brother can phase through the little brother. I was unaware of this. If you just hold the triggers down, aka the interact buttons, then they will automatically do everything that they need to. So in that little section back there, where I needed to jump across and climb up stuff, you can just hold them down. If you sit on benches, then it gives a nice little panoramic view of everything, and in the distance you could see the two brothers' house way back there. Sometimes I still get confused. There's that asshole again. Really, almost every event is something that can only be taken care of by one of the brothers. So, like, through these bars, Naya can't go through them, but Nai can. So there goes the asshole. See him cowering over there. Do that in a bit. Another little bench, which means another panoramic view. I'm not going to go through all of them. In fact, I've already missed a couple. But this one I think really solidifies what this game is. Like, the entire world is alive, regardless of whether or not you're there. And I just really, really like that.
Hello.
Well, that's one way to wake a guy up.
Anna, when have you?
Oh,
And thus ends part 1 of Brothers, A Tale of Two Sons. Leave a comment in the comments below to tell me what you think, and thanks for watching.